Yo, what's good people? It's Raheem Bogle again, back with another video. Now today's video is going to be about ring rows and the progressions that you can do from easiest to hardest. Now ring rows are a great exercise to build up your upper back, your rear delts, your lats and your core. Now follow these exercises and add them to your routine. And it's also a great exercise to help you achieve skills such as the front lever. And whether you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced calisthenics athlete. So now without further ado, let's get into the video, but please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it guys. Now the first exercise of course is the bodyweight rows. Now this is a very simple exercise to do. Just stand like I'm doing now and retract your shoulders and your scapula and pull with your back and your lats. So this will work more of the back and your lats and less of the biceps. Of course it will work it as a secondary muscle. And for this exercise you're going to use a neutral grip on the rings since it's important for the progressions and the variations for the rest of the video. To make this exercise easy, just stand more vertically, and to make it harder, just walk back down where you're more horizontal. So the more horizontal you are, the harder the exercise is. Now the next progression is elevated rows. Now the form is the same, just like the regular bodyweight rows, but all you're going to do is elevate your feet on a box or a bench. Now this will make the exercise a lot more harder. Now please bear in mind the form that you're going to use is going to be the same form throughout the whole video with every exercise. So that's a tight core and a retracted scapula and shoulders. Now the next progression is weighted bodyweight rows. It's going to be the same as the bodyweight rows but just using extra weight by using a weighted vest. Now in this video I'm using I think it's a 10 or 20 kg weighted vest. So you can get this off the internet. You can get a weighted vest with weights attached to it, or use this vest that I'm using now where you can use weight plates from the gym. Now up next we've got one arm rows. Now this is a great unilateral exercise where you're working one limb at a time. It helps to correct any muscle imbalances, prevents overuse of dominant muscles, and also helps to prevent injuries. So this is a very good exercise to add. Now next we've got the tucked front lever rows. Now for this exercise it's important to have your hips parallel to the ground, and just like the rows you're going to be pulling yourself up with your lats and your upper back. Now this is very good also for working the rear delts, just like all the other exercises as well. I forgot to mention that, but the tucked front lever row is a brilliant exercise to do. And to make it harder, all you have to do again, just add weight using the weight vest. It makes it 10 times harder and it's going to build up your back amazingly. I can't even explain how great this exercise is. And just like with the other exercises, as soon as you add weight to it, man, you're going to be on a whole nother level. Weighted calisthenics is the way forward. Now as I said earlier, if you're interested in learning skills, the bodyweight rows will help you achieve skills such as the front lever, which I haven't fully mastered yet, but I'm getting there slowly. I can do it on the bars but not on the rings just yet. So there you have it guys, that's the ring rows progression from easiest to hardest. Add those into your routines and trust me, you can't go wrong. Thank you for watching the video. Comment down your experience below and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next video guys. I'm out.